What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to import Google Contacts to your iPhone's contact list. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, after installing some Google apps on your iPhone or connecting your Gmail account, make sure that you're logged in with the correct Google account where you wish to import contacts from. In case you're unsure you added the correct account, then open up your Settings application. From here, scroll down and tap on Mail. Under Accounts, select Add Account. This will allow you to connect your Google account from here. After adding your account, select it in your Mail settings and make sure that your contacts are being synced. When this is done, head back to your main settings and navigate to your contact settings from here. Under Accounts, make sure that the Contacts option is toggled on for the Google account you wish to use. Make sure that new data is being fetched by your device to make sure that your contact list is up to date without having to update it manually. You also have the option to import your SIM contacts below. Lastly, open up your Contacts application on your iPhone and your Google Contacts should start showing up. Ensure yourself that you're using a reliable network connection to troubleshoot any problems you might encounter. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.